Welcome, team. Behavior skills are the heart of your matrix, and I'll be honest, they're the piece school teams find the trickiest to get right. So, we're going to take our time. In this first video, we'll cover what a behavior skill actually is, what makes a strong one, and the common traps that tend to trip teams up so you can look at any skill and know how to strengthen it. Part 2, we'll walk through building and finalizing your set for your school-wide matrix. So let's start with what they actually are. A behavior skill is a concrete, teachable behavior that shows what one of your norms looks like in a specific location. If be respectful is your norm and hallway is your location, the behavior skill is the observable thing a student actually does there. These are the life skills we intentionally teach and practice, not rules we assume students already know. Each one eventually lives inside the cell of your matrix. Every strong behavior skill passes 3 tests. First, it's positively stated. It tells students what to do, not what to stop. Second, it's observable and measurable. You could watch a student do it and know that it happened. And third, it uses student-friendly language, words, and for our youngest learner, pictures, that every student understands. Positive, observable, student-friendly. Keep these 3 close because we're about to use them as a diagnostic tool. Here's the fastest way to feel the difference. Look at the left column. Be respectful, pay attention. What do these actually look like? We can't see them, and don't talk only tell students what to stop. Now the right side, use level 0 voices, use walking speed, use materials as intended. They have the same intentions, but now they're positive, observable, and student-friendly depending on the age. That shift from vague to visible is the whole game here. Now let's slow down and diagnose, because naming why a skill is weak is what makes you good at this. Take be respectful. Which test does it fail? It's not really observable, and really it's a norm and not a skill. So we ask, what does respect look like here? Maybe use kind words. Next, don't talk during class. That one fails a positively stated rule, so we flip it. Raise your hand to share. One more, comply with instructions promptly. That's not student friendly. A first grader won't be able to use it, so we can shrink it to follow the directions the first time. Same skill, but it's now teachable. As you write yours, watch for these 6 traps. They're the usual culprits. Writing a norm instead of a skill, like be responsible. Stating the negative, no, don't, or stop. Skills you can't actually observe, like pay attention or be ready. Fuzzy qualifier words, like good, nice, or appropriate, because your good manners and my good manners might be different. We also want to avoid grown-up language that a child wouldn't use, and we definitely want to avoid piling on too many. That's a pretty big culprit there. If you have more than 3 to 5 per box, you can't teach it regularly. So if you have a skill that hits any of these, then you'll know how to fix it. So before we finish, let's try fixing this one. Be a good listener. Run it through your 3 tests, and you might land on something as you're changing it, like keep your eyes on the speaker or turn your body toward instruction. These are positive, observable, and student-friendly depending on the age. That's the muscle you'll use again and again. And in part 2, we'll take these strong skills and build your actual set for your school-wide matrix with your community and ground it in your data. Nice work, team. This is the hard part, and you've got it. See you in part 2.